Hey everyone, this is JP Hunt with GraphicsFlow, and in this video I want to showcase a brand new feature that's now available in your GraphicsFlow account. Now we've added a brand new filter to the design ideas and the clip art workspace to help you to quickly find the designs or clip art that you've already downloaded. So this new filter is now available at the top left. And by default, when you navigate to design ideas or clip art, it will be set to all. So you'll see all design ideas or all clip art. And of course, you can search and use these filters to find the right content. But you now have the ability to toggle to downloaded. And of course, as you can see on screen, these are all the files that I've downloaded. Anytime you download, whether it be a design idea or clip art, there'll be a green checkmark indicator at the very top right of each thumbnail. And that's a quick indication that you've already downloaded that file. And now you can, of course, re-download that file with no penalty. So re-downloading a file does not count against your monthly allotment. So this new filter helps you to quickly find those files. You can even filter to not downloaded, and you can see all the files that you haven't previously interacted with. So again, a new filter that makes it quick and easy to find the content, whether it be design ideas or clip art you've previously have downloaded as a quick access. And of course, you can continue to download those files with no penalty towards your monthly allotment. Now stay tuned, we will be announcing some pretty exciting new features and enhancements, and we'll continue to communicate those via these video overviews. Now keep your feedback coming. In fact, this feature came directly from one of you, our users, as a handy way to work with stock artwork. So we're really proud to announce that we're quickly acting on user feedback and implementing that into GraphicsFlow. So certainly keep that feedback coming. It's really helpful for us to maximize GraphicsFlow and add the right features that will help add more value to you.